I'm gonna run your material today. This is the material sent. First I'm gonna run it through is a lump shredder. And I took the screen out of the lump shredder. Normally there's a screen here, and a screen for a lump shredder looks like this. And what that does is it kind of classifies the material and breaks it all down to a certain size. Well, your material is going to crack up pretty easily, so I won't need it. And it'll also help you on your clean out because you won't have a screen to worry about in the clean out process. The material is going to process through, drop into this bin below, and then I'm going to take it on a secondary process through an A30, which is a 10 horsepower unit. And I'm just going to have it drop through here, and I have a screen in here to classify it down even farther, and then I'll collect it in a bin over here and be able to send it back to you. So it's a fairly simple setup, and I'm just trying to make it as easy as possible so your clean out is fairly simple when you change from one material to the other. And this one, not having a screen, will simplify the process. And this unit here is actually very easy to clean out. The top here, this top bin, opens all the way up. It's kind of a clamshell. And then your access to your screen is here, and your ability to clean out your vent system or your material handling system is right below. But you might not need the blower system. Probably in your system, just have it drop down into a bin below, which will actually make it easier on both the process and the clean out. So I'm going to start running the test, and I'll turn this off and start it back up again. Okay, we're all set. Here's your pretty sizable patty you got here. It says it's 820 grams. I'm just going to drop it into the lump shredder right now. It's just a simple drop. I got it. That was pretty quick, about 40 seconds for the whole patty to get processed through. Now I'm going to turn this off and bring it over to the next machine. Here's the particles, so you can see what the shredded material looks like. No real heat on this thing. It's not, sometimes you get some heat, but no real heat. And you got a good spread out of parts and sizes and not a lot of dust to it. So I'm going to run her through the A30 now. And then we're just going to have it go through a blower system and be able to show you the parts that come out. All right, now I'm going to load this stuff up. I put it in another sack so it's easier to load in. And just run it through. It's running fairly easy through here. We're starting to get it out on the other end now. We processed the material here, and there's no heat, no buildup. You're not really getting like a pellet size. It's actually got to cut this stuff. It's really a layered type of thing. We can go smaller screens, you won't get much dust, but this was done with a 6mm screen, this test, and everything looks pretty good shape for test.